Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and today I want to talk to you about ceramic coating your Tesla. Starting off with a painted Tesla, typically you want to go ahead and get that done right from the start, right when you take delivery of your car. Meaning we're going to go ahead and treat the painted exterior panels of the car, starting off with the TMaxx Pro 9H graphene. This is the top coat, this is the beginning process, and this is what's going to go ahead and protect your paint, give it a really long-term shine, and also provide for easier cleanup. Now, today it's also very popular to wrap your Tesla, and that's what we do mostly over here at T-Sportline. So when you're done with the wrap, we recommend using the TMaxx PPF and vinyl ceramic coating treatment. And what that will do for you is it will go ahead and give the wrap a really nice sheen. It will help kind of seal it all in. It helps prevent wrap degradation, and most importantly, provides for easier cleanup. After you do that, you can stop, or we recommend continuing applying ceramic coatings to additional areas. So the next step would be the interior. Leather or vinyl, vegan interiors, they get dirty, they're hard to clean at times, and this ceramic coating for those areas definitely helps prevent staining, provides for easier cleanup, and is part of the 5-year interior warranty program that TMaxx gives you. Now, as far as the exterior glass goes, that's another step, because when it rains, there's a lot of dirty water, bad water, staining can occur, splashes from stuff up on the street onto the glass. This will help repel it and also provide for easier cleanup. And lastly, your wheels and your brake calipers also get a treatment to help prevent staining, help provide just an overall easier way to clean your wheels as well as your brake calipers. Now let's talk about warranty. So the TMaxx products come with a 5-year warranty for all the areas that you apply the coating to. But what's extra nice is that if you use TMaxx PPF Gloss Clear, Satin Clear, or Color PPF film, that comes with a 7-year warranty, but if you apply the coating on top of it, it takes it over to 10 years. Thank you for watching. As I always say, protect your Tesla, and the TMaxx ceramic coating products do a wonderful job. And if you love our content, just subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.